Hello everyone, my name is Dhruvik Poriya. I am a final year mechanical engineering student at Nirma University, Ahmedabad. I have recently completed my internship from Decibels Lab in electrical vehicle, lithium-ion cell and battery management system modeling and simulation. It was a 6 weeks internship which was well structured and very interesting. I also worked on the various projects like Ether 450, Nissan Leaf and student racing car, and it is a great opportunity to start a career in the EV sector as it is a very fast growing and emerging industry in this time. They also provide recordings of the live session so you can go through it according to your time comfort. Decibel Labs also have an EV community which I found very fascinating and interesting thing because you can connect with the people who are already working in this area and you can get to know about the new technologies in this field. I also want to thank Mr. Suraj for creating this opportunity for students and want to thank the entire Decibel Labs team to provide us a very informative and knowledgeable sessions in this internship. Thank you. Thank you all.